Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix Aliexpress account temporarily locked. I tried logging into Aliexpress once and got that annoying message saying my account was temporarily locked, which usually happens after too many failed login attempts or if the system detects unusual activity. So the first thing I did was simply wait a little while because in many cases, the lock automatically disappears after a few minutes, hours, or sometimes a day. After that cooldown period, I tried logging in again, and the account worked normally. If the lock doesn't go away, another thing that can help is checking how you normally sign in. For example, if your account is connected to Google or Apple, you can try linking and reconnecting that login method from your account settings. If you created the account directly with an email and password, then resetting the AliExpress password is usually the quickest fix. Once the password is updated, logging in again often clears the temporary lock. It's a simple process, but usually solves the problem without needing to contact support. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.